Hello children, Sujata Miss is again here with another video for class 10 ICSE. Now in this video, I am going to only read out the answers. Questions I have already uploaded in my previous video. So it is question number 4, Roman number 1. Now, climate in different parts of India is largely impacted by the relief features. One example, the Arabian Sea branch of the southwest monsoon winds strike the western Ghats, dropping more moisture on the windward side, for example, Mumbai, and dropping less rainfall on the leeward side, for example, Pune, while cannot drop moisture in western Rajasthan as it lies parallel to Aravallis. Another example, the Gangetic Plain is not frozen in winter because it stops the cold winds blowing from Siberia. Roman number 2, the source of winter rainfall, Punjab, western disturbances, Tamil Nadu, northeast monsoon winds, which absorb moisture from Bay of Bengal and drop rainfall in Coromandel coast. Roman number 3, give reason. The first one, Kerala gets rainfall from summer monsoon before Uttar Pradesh because Kerala is located in the Malabar coast, which lies in the southwestern part of our country, where southwest monsoon hits first. Then it moves towards north and hits Uttar Pradesh. Next, give reason. Vishakhapatnam records a low annual range of temperature because it lies along the coast and so has maritime type of climate. Next, give reason. Winds are mostly offshore during the cold season because during cold season high pressure develops over land and low pressure develops over sea. So winds are mostly offshore. Now, this is the climatic data that is given. Question Roman number 4 question. The first, you have to calculate the average temperature of station X for summer season only. Now, summer season, children, we know March, April, May. So, if we add up, the temperature comes to 83.4 degrees Celsius. Divided by 3, it is 27.8 degrees Celsius. Driest month, it is May. And the wind that brings maximum rainfall to this station, it is northeast monsoon winds. We came to know that it is northeast monsoon wind because it gets maximum rainfall in November, December, January, February, and range of temperature is also not much. So, northeast monsoon winds. Now, next question number 5. Here we talk about two farmers. One is Nathu, who is having difficulty, and other one Motilal, who gets better yield. So, A, identify the two types of soil, Bhangar and Khadar. B, what benefit is Motilal having? Khadar is a new alluvial soil which is replenished every year by fresh floods, so it is more fertile. Roman number 2, A, how soil erosion is caused due to high population. Now, because of high population, we have urbanization, deforestation, industrialization causing soil erosion. B, the two innovative agricultural techniques that prevent soil erosion, they are crop rotation, terrace farming, strip cropping. Roman number 3. Now, with reference to red soil, how it is formed? Due to withering of crystalline, metamorphic and igneous rock. And this soil, question number B, it is good for dry farming since it is porous and loose, so cannot hold moisture. And C, Two areas where red soil is formed. One is almost whole of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, parts of Orissa. Roman number 4, give reason. The first one, black soil has got self-ploughing capacity because black soil becomes sticky when wet and forms crack when dry, which helps in air circulation. So it has self-ploughing capacity. Next, give reason. Laterite soil is not suitable for cultivation because it is a leached soil. So, topsoil becomes infertile. Moreover, it is coarse and porous and so cannot hold moisture. Next, give reason. Alluvial soil has varying texture because it is a transported soil, coarse in texture in the upper stage of the river. Gradually, it becomes fine and it is finer and compact in the lower course of the river. Next question. Mahesh and his friend, they are coming across a marshy area with trees that have stilt-like roots. So the vegetation is tidal forest, or you may write littoral forest. Area where it is found, Sundarban Delta, deltas of river Godavari and Krishna. Roman number 2. Social forestry helps to conserve forest because it involves local communities raising awareness amongst them about soil conservation. Another point is promotes forest based cottage industries, increasing employment and lessen the dependence on forest. Another point is providing forest products like firewood to the local people, reducing pressure on natural forests. Then question number B, desert vegetation, they have long and deep roots in order to draw water from deep underground as rainfall is scarce. Roman number 3, three reasons why forest conservation is needed. Number 1, trees gives us oxygen. Number 2, trees absorb carbon dioxide and thereby reducing global warming. Number 3, helps in controlling flood and soil erosion. Number 4, causes rainfall. Number 5, provide habitat to the wild animals. Number 6, provide raw materials to forest based industry. Roman number 4a, the forest conservation method that involves local community, it is social forestry. The primitive system of agriculture that has caused deforestation, you can write either shifting cultivation or jhum cultivation. Now, a process where 2 saplings are planted for each tree felled, it is reforestation. Next question, Roman number 1, that is question number 7, Roman number 1. Irrigation in India is very much influenced, the need for irrigation in India is influenced by rainfall pattern because monsoon rainfall is erratic or sporadic in nature, unevenly distributed over the year and over the country. And next point is orographic in nature. The 2 reasons why canal irrigation is practiced in northern plains of India. 1, northern plains have many perennial rivers, and second, land is flat and soft, so easy to dig canals. State in India where tube wells are commonly used, you can write Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab or Haryana. Then next is 2 geographical conditions that favor tube well irrigation in whichever state you have mentioned. 1, land is soft and fertile and easy to dig tube well. Second, water table is high as it gets adequate rainfall. And third, cheap hydroelectric power to work the pump. Roman number 4 is the picture here. This is a picture of rainwater harvesting. Now, two similar water harvesting practices are percolation pit, borewell, dugwell, and johad. Next, question number 8, Roman number 1. Generation of biogas can be achieved in every household of rural India because they generate organic kitchen waste and cow dung, which can be converted into biogas. Biogas, this form of energy, is a boon for Indian farmers because it is cheap. Waste of this energy can be used as fertilizer, and next point is helps in waste management. Now children, again we have a picture of Hirakud Dam. It is on river Mahanadi and the state benefited is Orissa. Roman number 3A, copper is an important household mineral because it is ductile, strong and good conductor of electricity. And then name two Indian states where copper is found. One is Madhya Pradesh, the other one is Rajasthan. See why we have more concentration of industries in Chota Nagpur plateau. The answer is heavy and bulky raw materials like coal, iron ore, manganese are all found in the Chota Nagpur plateau. Thus, iron and steel industry has developed in this area. Now, Roman number 4, again we have a picture. Now, this energy that is harnessed here is solar energy. This energy is very much preferred over fossil fuels. Number 1, eco-friendly, and number 2, inexhaustible. Next question. India stands at an advantageous position in production of this type of energy because India lies in the tropical region. So for about 300 days, it receives more or less strong rays of the sun. Next question, question number 9, Roman number 1. Two agricultural reforms that government has done. Green Revolution 1. Number 2, good irrigation facilities. Number 3, distribution of fertilizers and pesticides at a cheaper rate. And number 4, credit facilities. Roman number 2A, you have to give one difference between Rabi and Kharif cropping seasons. Rabi, winter crop, sown in October, November, harvested in February, March. Kharif, summer crop, sown in May, June, harvested in September or October. State that is the leading producer of groundnut, Gujarat. After Gujarat comes Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Telangana. Now, next, Roman number 3A, the leading state which is producing coffee, it is Karnataka. And the next, two geographical conditions present in this state that make it a leading producer. Temperature from 15 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. Rainfall 125 to 200 centimeter. Shade is provided so that they are not subjected to direct sunlight. Hill slopes so that water is not stagnant at its root. Now, other than coffee, another plantation crop that is raised in India is tea. Roman number 4, the farmer who has hired some laborers to help him with ginning is cotton. And the next question, the two climatic conditions suitable for this crop. Temperature 21 to 27 degrees Celsius with 200 frost-free days and rainfall 50 to 80 centimeters. Question number 10, Roman number 1. You have to give two differences between small scale and large scale industry. Small scale, less capital investment. Large scale, huge capital investment. Small scale employs less workers. Large scale employs large number of workers. Small scale, goods produced in less quantity. Large scale, huge production of goods. Next question, that is Roman number 2. The two ways cotton in textile industry is important for the Indian economy. One is generates employment. Second, meets high demand of domestic market. Roman number 3, petrochemical industry is growing popular because the reasons are cost effective, economically stable, cheaper as they are produced on large scale, raw materials easily available. Next, give reason. Oil petrochemical industries, they are located close to oil refineries. The reason, easy availability of raw materials. And next is reduces cost of transportation. Next, two petrochemical products, plastics, PVC pipes, synthetic fibers, detergents, etc. Now, Roman number 4, one reason why sugar production is gaining popularity in peninsular India. The first reason, sucrose content is higher in the tropical variety of sugarcane. Second reason, crushing season is longer. Third, cooperative sugar mills are better managed. Fourth, modern machineries. And next, another point is not far from sugarcane growing areas. Next, give reason. Indian silk products are not so popular in international market. The first reason is very costly, and second is facing tough competition with Italy and Japan. Next, give reason. Iron and steel industry will never decline because it is the key industry necessary for the growth of other industries. Next question, question number 11. Two disadvantages of waterways. First one is very slow. Second one can be affected by bad weather conditions. And third, peninsular rivers are seasonal, short and swift flowing. Peninsular rivers are seasonal, short and swift flowing. So water transport is not suitable there. Roman number 2, Golden Quadrilateral has contributed towards the improvement of the Indian economy. The first one is provide job opportunities. Second, growth of industries in smaller towns through which it passes. Third, reduces time and distance between towns and cities. Fourth, better movement of products to facilitate truck transport. Roman number 3A, roadways are definitely better than railways in India because roadways are easier and cheaper to build. Next, it is flexible and provide door-to-door service. Next, easy to build roadways in forested areas or hilly terrain. Next question number B, 3B. Air transport is fastest, but still it is not suitable for all regions and purposes because it is expensive, not suitable for carrying heavy and bulky goods, affected by bad weather conditions. And C, the inland waterway that connects Prayagraj to Haldia is national waterway number 1. It is on Ganga River. Roman number 4, there are 3 give reasons. First one, airports are established even in smaller towns because they are fastest, can reach remote areas, beneficial at the time of natural calamities, and increase employment. Railways, next give reason. Railways are very well developed in northern states of India because first one is flat level plain with high density of population, and next is rich agricultural output. Next give reason, helicopter services are crucial during emergencies because it can reach remote areas, provide swift medical aid, next airdrop food packets, and helps in rescue operation. Question number 12. Roman number 1. The impact of waste generation on surface water is causes pollution, death of aquatic animals, and eutrophication. In landscape, spoils the aesthetic beauty of the land, breeding ground for all insects, flies, mosquitoes, and spread infectious diseases. Now, Roman number 2, see the picture. Now, this is a method of waste disposal, which is the method is dumping. Now, this method is considered a harmful method because number 1, cause soil and underground water pollution. Number 2, gives out bad odor. Number 3, spread diseases. And number 4, breeding ground for mosquitoes and flies. Roman number 3. Now, the fire that broke up in the waste treatment plant which contained biomedical wastes and plastics, and definitely it's not good for general health. So, question number A, what would have helped to reduce health hazards? The answer is segregating biomedical waste and plastics. Question number B is, what can you do as a student to reduce waste in school? Reusing or recycling waste, come to school by bicycles or carpool, use old copies as rough copies. And next, C, domestic wastes can be made useful because number 1, composting it and then we can use it as fertilizers, reusing glass bottles, next unused pages of copies we can use it, and next converting old clothes into doormats or decorative items. So these are the ways by which we can use domestic waste. First of all, if it is a biodegradable, then we can compost it and have it as fertilizers. Suppose glass bottles are there, we can again reuse. If you have old copies with many unused pages left, you can use it as rough copy. And then old clothes, you can convert it into doormats or decorative items. Next question, children. What is composting? Composting is a process in which organic wastes are decomposed by microorganisms to create humus. And next is, we have to give 2 advantages of composting. One, it is a good fertilizer for plants. Next, improves water retention capacity of soil. Next, suppresses plant disease. And next, reduces the quantity of waste. So that's all in this video. Children, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'm going to upload one topographical map question and India map and MCQs. I know, children, you are now very busy with your pre-board examinations, but sometime if you can give some time for this during evening hours and all, it is better that you solve it, and the day I upload the question, Maybe the next day or the day next, I will upload the answers. Thank you, children.